is your Constructa dishwasher showing the frustrating E15 error code. This immediate guide provides the exact troubleshooting steps to get it working again right now. First, method 1, checking for leaks. A small leak often triggers E15 because the dishwasher detects excess water in its base. Unplug the unit, then thoroughly check all hose connections for looseness or damage. Tighten any clamps and ensure no water is pooling underneath. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue often points to the flood protection system, leading us to method 2's inspecting the float switch. This tiny sensor prevents flooding. Locate the float switch and ensure it moves freely without debris. A stuck float switch continuously signals a flood, causing the E15 code. Moving on, if the error persists, you might have residual water. Method 3 involves manually draining any standing water from the tub and carefully checking the drain hose for kinks. Clearing this ensures proper water flow. Finally, for a complete system refresh, method 4 is a simple reset. Unplug your Constructa dishwasher for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This hard reset often clears temporary glitches in the control board, allowing the system to reinitialize without the E15 error. Get your Constructa dishwasher running perfectly again!